Yo, what's up YouTube? So today we're going to be attempting to fix my Razer Viper V2 Pro. The side buttons are broken, not clicking, and we're going to attempt to fix that. There's also some rattle inside, so I think so what you're going to need is a Torque 6 screwdriver to get into these tiny little stars. So what you're gonna need is a T6 50mm screwdriver. And taking the feet off your mouse is pretty easy. Just have to get a good prying tool here. So now what you're gonna wanna do is get on these edges and just kind of pry it open. So here's what the inside of the mouse looks like. And it looks like we got the side switches right here that are giving me the problems. It looks like one of them is broken, as you can see. You can see so I bought these Kale micro switches online, and hopefully I'm just gonna take these apart and get them to work. So I've taken apart one of the switches and left with just this case housing, but it doesn't fit exactly because Viper's switch is a little different. Trying to get this to focus. You can see this cutout right here doesn't really match that one, so it's not gonna just snap onto place easily. Luckily, I was able to find the original casing that came off, so we're gonna try to use this one. It did snap in half, but I just glued it back together. Hopefully it holds. So you can see this tiny little white piece is the actual part that clicks down. So we're gonna attempt to try and use one into our old case. Alright, so ran into some issues. The casing snapped in half again, so had to basically just glue the sides on, and then so I glued one side on, then I stuck the switch in, and I glued the other side on, and looks like it appears to be holding together pretty well. Um, looks like I can press it. And now, I'm gonna insert the strip back into the PCB. And then it just slides into these grooves here. So plug the mouse in. The actual button appears to be working. So I'm gonna put it back together now. I'm getting clicks and feedback with the case on. Hope y'all like that video. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.